So our exam will be in a Google form. Then we have 50 items. Coverage of our exam is from first topic of the final, facilitate learning session. We have the CBT monitoring tools, the competency-based training procedures that is under in facilitating learning session. Then another coverage is supervise work-based learning. So we have work-based training, industry linkage, training plan, no? Then another coverage is conducting competency assessment. On how to conduct an assessment, no? So the topic, factors to be considered in organizing assessment activity. Purpose of assessment, orientation, documentation, and appointment. Assessor's responsibility and assessor's guide. No? Underneath sa conducting competency assessment. Then content of assessment. Context of assessment. No? Competency standard and assessment. The assessment forms, guidelines, then dimension of competency. The role of evidence. Form design for assessment result. No? Recording assessment result. So this is our coverage for our final exam. Then I remind also for those who have lacking activities, no? Kung napay mga kulang na activity, please submit it this coming until Wednesday, no? Next week.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Regarding sa mga sir, mga PITs and activities, sir, pwede may mga yung sir, listahan, sir, kasi na yung mga kulang, sir, para makapaano naman sa activity, sir. Okay, pag pasa mo naman, sir, kasi nalimtan naman, sir, mo nakapasa naman may wala.
So actually, no, sa kadaghan ninyo, malisod ko paghatag sa checklist o sa inyo mga kulang. So tanaw na ako kung ma-check na ko tanan ang sa inyo mga kulang, but see to it nga kamo may nakabalo sa iyong mga gipang pasa, no? So every time nga natay klase, so maghatag mo kong activity. So nakabalo mo kung nakapasa pa mo o wala, no? Every activity.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, mag-start na ta para you are 28.
Morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Okay, so once again, good morning to all. So let us start our lesson proper. This is our last topic for the coverage of the final exam. Nana ba akong gisir? Makita ba ninyo?
Makita ra siya.
So this is our last topic, maintaining training facilities. Okay, so what are the training facilities and equipment? So our objectives is you must be able to identify and describe the training facilities and equipment in your center or school in order to determine in its maintenance requirements. No? So trainers, as they embark on teaching and learning activities, are also involved in the maintenance and unkept of the workshop, classroom, and its surroundings, especially in small training centers. So they must ensure that facilities, equipment, and tools are adequate, available, and in operating condition. So once nga mag-conduct ta og training, see to it that the equipment, tools are intact, complete, no? And
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, nag-black screen, sir. Dili makita.
dili makita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait lang. Kana makita na ninyo?
Wala, sir.
Wala gyapon, sir.
Dili maka.
Di
Black
gyapon
screen, sir.
makita. Black screen. Naman siya. Kana mao gyapon? Black screen gyapon?
Yes, sir.
Ano man siya? Wait lang. Okay. Kana siya mo gyapon? O klaro na?
Magyapon, sir.
Black screen gyapon?
Black yapon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ano man niya? So ako na lang basahon ang ko na. By the way, ako magyapon na siyang i-post dito sa ato ang Facebook page. Ang atong topic. So, direct na lang kong discuss sa importance of maintenance. Okay, so importance of maintenance is an excellent means of improving the importance and condition of equipment and facilities. An effective maintenance program identified problem long before any equipment or facility break down or deteriorate. A good maintenance system present the early discovery of problems, thus providing plenty of lead time for effective maintenance planning. So the trainer has to value the importance of maintaining the training facilities, equipment, and tools he is using or under his care. If he values the presence and availability of these resources for effective training and learning processes. So the growth of interest in maintenance. So we have the factors contributing to the rapidly growing interest in maintenance are, no? Number one is technological development, no? So this trend leads to more mechanized and automated equipment, resulting in great productive potential which must be kept working. This means that training facilities are becoming more complicated and required more advanced maintenance. So at this time, our technology is more updated, no? So that's why in industry, they have their schedule of maintenance of their equipment to avoid any delays, no? Or shutdown or without ang ilang machine. So it is a big loss for the production, no? So that's why in terms of technological development, no? So it is the facilities are becoming more complicated, no? That's why it needs more maintenance of the user. Increasingly expensive raw materials, no? Finite raw materials in combination with growing population and increasing assumption and inevitably result in light raw materials prices. Unavoidably, the cost of all byproducts must rise. So this is therefore often more profitable to maintain existing equipment than purchase new ones. So the price of any equipment is paspas ang kaning
Excuse me, sir.
atong yes.
Sir, dili lagi makita imong presentation, sir.
Di gyapon maklaro ba?
Black sa mua, sir, black.
Black siya. Ano man niya. So ako na lang siyang discuss na lang ako gamay din. Ako na lang i-post dito sa atong Facebook group.
Sige, ala lang, sir.
Ako na lang i-discuss para kuan di maklaro lagi ngamot nonsa ni siya ako ang presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Dito na lang ako na-post sa atong Facebook group dayon. So ako lang i-summarize ang discussion. So factors in contributing and rapidly involved in maintenance. Number one is technological development. Number two is increasing expensive raw materials. Then greater complication. We have increased fixed cost. Then reduce delayed activities and eradicate uncomplicated work. Then we have environmental concern. So we have the specific objectives of maintenance to extend the useful life of physical facilities to ensure the operational readiness of installed equipment and maximum possible return in investment. No? To properly discard hazardous waste to ensure the safety of personnel using facilities and physical properties and environment. So this is the number one, a basic specific objectives why we maintain our facilities and equipment. No? So siyempre to extend the useful life of our physical facilities. The same na atay mga unit, sample na kay sakyanan, kung minus ang imong maintenance, dali lagi siya ba? Daot, no? Especially oil. Atong basihan ang engine oil sa ato ang vehicle. So natay ginasunod nga maintenance karon sa ato mag-change oil, no? Bisan sa ato ang basic kayo natay motorcycle, no? Natay ginasunod nga kilometer per hour. For example, 1,000 km per hour mag-change oil ka, so dapat mag-change oil ka para dili ma-damage ang ato ang engine. Sundon ginato ang maintenance schedule. So, what can we gain from maintaining our facilities? So, maintaining our facilities to ensure safe environment, improve morale of human resources, reduce operational cost, increase production, prolong life of facilities, prompt delivery of services product, then waste garbage reduction. So number one yun sa especially sa mga industry to increase their production, no? Sample ya sa Del Monte, Nestle, no? Production ginaila. So once nga ma-down ang ilang equipment, so gamay ra ang ilang production. Who are involved in maintenance? So who will be manage the activities? What, where, when, and how to maintain. So we have the 5 M's involved in maintenance. We have the manpower, the money, financial resources, then methods and system, the machine, facilities, then materials and supplies. Okay, I have a sample here on how to make basic, no, sa ato ang sa shop. We have housekeeping schedule, no. For example, akong nakabutang dire is SMAW in situ. This is qualification, area, section. So we have the activities. Example na siya, no? So unsay activities nga ginabutang sa housekeeping schedule, no? Number 1 is clean and check welding equipment, accessories from dust and oil, dry and properly laid out, secured, stable. So we have the responsible person, kinsa ang maglimpyo ani. So dahil nakabutang diri, the trainers, the janitors. So in the absence of the trainers, natay janitor, no? Then schedule for the housekeeping, daily ba siya? Every week? Every other day? Weekly? Every 15th day? Monthly? And the last is the remarks, no? So, na ako yung mga sample diri sa housekeeping schedule, no? So, maghatag kong activity sa inyo ay maghimo mo og schedule sa maintenance. Another example of activity is workshop housekeeping schedule, no? So the daily task Nakabutan diri dispose, segregate, waste, clean, garbage cans, no? So chika lang din diri sa kuan, either yes or no, no? Ang answer. So example, sweep floors if wet, white, dry. So nalimpyuhan ba siya? Yes or no lang. Wipe and clean whiteboards, yes or no. Clean and arrange work tables, yes or no lang ang answer. So napoy daily task, napoy weekly task, no? Napoy monthly task. Then another sample of equipment maintenance schedule, no? So equipment type, equipment code, location, activities, nagabuhaton. So examples activities, check panel board and circuit breakers, electrical connection, cable and outlet. So manpower, electrician and trainer, no? So schedule, daily ba siya? Every other day, weekly, every 15th day, monthly. Then the remarks, no? So kinsay responsible person nga mag-check ano niya, no, ng mga activity. So example, check panel board, ang circuit breaker, electrical connection, cable and outlet. So nakabutang diri weekly, no? Example diri is weekly. O dapat checkon siya weekly. Check check adjustment lever of functional amperage speed if not calibrates, no? Nakabutang diri is weekly gyapon. So example ni sa ato ang mga another checklist is workshop inspection checklist. So ang answer ani is yes or no lang, no? Checkan lang siya, yes or no. Then equipment maintenance inspection checklist. Yes or no lang yapon ang chika, no? How to inspect. Okay, so these are the sample of the checklist. And to do the maintenance, housekeeping, equipment maintenance schedule, then workshop and housekeeping schedule. So ako lang ni siyang i-post dito sa ato ang Facebook page, then kamo na ang mag further study ani. This is included for our final exam. Then I will give you an activity to do. Only you make an example of, ako lang i-post dito sa ato ang Facebook group kung saan nga activity akong ihatag sa inyo, no? Kaya di maklaro akong presentation, ganun nag-block na siya. Okay, so that's all for this morning. So I repeat, our final exam will be on Saturday, 10:30 to 12 ang atong time. So 1 hour and a half. Our exam is in Google Form, no? Sayo na kasi Google Form, 50 items. Then your activity will be submitted, no? Atong activity gikan sa activity number 1 to 6. Submit it until next week para akong ma-finalize.
Okay, sir.
Okay, kindly turn on your mic. Any clarification, question?
Sir, pila ka items ang exam, sir?
Our final exam is 50 items in Google Form.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, kindly turn on your camera. Magkuhan sa to. Okay, that's all for our last topic discussion and maintain training facilities. Good luck for our final exam on Saturday.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.